Assalamu alaikum and Bismillah Rahman Rahim, and welcome to Azaz Amna Kitchen for All. Today we will be making these delicious fried chicken, so let's begin. First we boiled the chicken and then we put in 2 teaspoons of ginger and garlic paste. Then we're gonna put in 2 tablespoons tandoori masala. We're going to mix these all together, and then we're gonna put in flour into the mix and some Montreal chicken seasoning that we just got from like Walmart. Just gonna add that in there. We're going to mix it all together, and then we're gonna start frying it on high heat. Now we're just gonna put these into the fry pan, and we're gonna fry them on each side for about 5 to 8 minutes so they become like a golden crispy brown color. And here is the finished result of the delicious fried chicken. Thank you so much for joining us on this small little video. Subscribe, share, and like. And don't forget to have a good day.